Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter of biology. This is tissue for class 9. In this chapter we will study the different type of tissue which are found in plants and animals. First of all, we will discuss about the plant tissue. In plant there are so many parts like root, shoot, branches. So in this region there are different types of tissue are present. So there are main type of tissue in plant, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. What is meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue is made up of living cells and it helps in the growth of plant, elongation of plant, increase the width of plant, increase the part between nodes and internodes. So we will discuss about meristematic tissue in detail. If you see a plant, there are two types of tips where plant grows. First one is root tip and second one is shoot tip. From your childhood, you have already studied about germination of seed when the development of seed into seedling. Seedling means there are two parts of seed. First one is growth inside the ground and second one is growth outside the ground. So in both part tissue is present for their development and elongation. This is called apical meristematic tissue. Second one is intercalary meristematic tissue. What is intercalary meristematic tissue and what is its function? So these are present in the nodes and internode part of the plant and they help in the elongation of the part of the plant. Next one is lateral meristematic tissue. What is the function of lateral meristematic tissue? As usually you see that when plant become older, then its width become large. You can see when uh, cutting stem is seen, then you see that there are number of circles in the part of internal part of stem. What is this? This is the deposition of lateral meristematic tissue. It helps the plant to increase the width of the plant. Second one is permanent tissue. What is permanent tissue? Permanent tissue, just as usual from its name, this is permanent tissue. It is also two type of. So first one is simple permanent and second one is complex permanent tissue. There are three types of simple permanent. As per its name, these tissue are simply. So we will discuss about simple permanent tissue. What are simple permanent tissue? Their structure is not delicate. They are made up of living cell or non-living also. So there are three main type of simple permanent tissue. First one is parenchyma, second one is collenchyma, third one is sclerenchyma. What is parenchyma? What is collenchyma? And what is sclerenchyma? So I will discuss parenchyma tissue. Parenchymatous tissue is made up of single layer of cell wall, and the function of parenchymatous tissue is to store food and water for plant. There are so many large intercellular space are present in it, so they help in the storage of food and water. Second one is collenchyma. As per its name, those parenchymatous tissue which contain chlorophyll, this is called collenchyma. It helps in the process of photosynthesis. And third one is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchymatous tissue is just some different from parenchyma and chlorenchyma. Its layer become the outer layer of sclerenchymatous tissue become hard due to deposition of chitin, and it helps in the supporting part of the plant. So the main function of sclerenchyma is to support plants. They are made up of dead cells. And complex permanent tissue. What is complex permanent tissue? Complex permanent tissue, as per its name, it is made up of complex part. It carry water and minerals from ground or soil, different part of plant. It carry also food prepared by the leaves of the plant from one part to another. So they are called also conductive tissue. In other term, we can say vascular bundle or vascular tissue because they help with the conduction of water, minerals and food. So xylem and phloem are the main types of complex permanent tissue. There are so many parts in xylem and so many parts in phloem. So these the main function of this tissue is to transport food and minerals. Thank you, student.